I was down visiting my brother Richard, and I wanted you to see his truck. All I had, though, was my phone to record this, so it's not that great. It's a 2006 Toyota Tacoma TRD.
TI is a Moab 2.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. Moab 2 is in the back. I think this is the Bushmaster 2.
Okay.
The back motor is a Moab. This is a Warn 10 winch.
That's nice. It's nice recessed in there.
12,000 pound.
Nice.
I put the controller.
Nice deal there.
I had to relocate the controller box in
Oh,
here.
okay. Okay.
And then the plug-in is just on the other side of this.
And how big you said the lift was?
It's a 4-inch lift.
4-inch. Okay.
I'm not real excited about my shocks and my struts, and I'm probably going to replace those at some point, but maybe when I beat them up.
Might as well, right? Might as well use them.
Yeah, I may get something like Fox shocks or something.
Something a little bit. What are they? Bilstein?
Bilstein, yeah. So the ARB2, the ARB singles compressor is underneath the seat. This is a great company. I'm not paid by them. It's called Desert Does It.
Oh.
I love them. They have great quality products. This was one. This is called a seat jacker. Oh, I love this because
So this is two different products. Then.
Two different products from the same company.
Okay.
And then they have this front piece where I can mount my fire extinguisher.
Okay. Yeah.
And then here's your switch. So once I turn
nice.
on the car, my switch is right there.
Yeah.
And if I want, I can. If I put in what do you call them? Lockers.
Yeah.
I have all of it set up with all the wiring that I can send it down to the lockers as well.
Oh yeah, because that's all set up for it already.
Yeah.
That ARB compressor.
Yeah. But that raises about 1.5 inches, and it makes a big difference in how you ride. And that's what I was so shocked on.
Yeah, because it puts your put your seat up and your legs can go down instead of forward.
Down. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's great. Yeah, that's a nice
rock sliders attached to the frame. Very, very durable. 2 room boxes, a 92 liter, I think they are.
And this is the same brand?
This is Printu.
Okay.
Printu roof rack.
So where did you get this? Do you remember how you bought? Did you order it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Waterport is the name of it.
Okay. Yeah, and it's like 15
small
gallons.
ones.
Yeah. Oh, smaller
They
than
have
that.
a
Yeah.
small one you can put on the bumper
Nice.
through the hitch,
Yeah.
and then this is their bigger one.
Yeah, that's good.
It's not
Handy
15
big
gallons.
time. Oh, it's not?
I can't remember. I think it's 8 gallons.
8 gallons. And it's pressurized. And
Pressurized.
It's pretty cool.
Comes with a hose.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, so you can attach this to, it has a thing to hook up to a water faucet. Okay. And this one goes here. It fills it up and pressurizes it
So
all.
it's got like a bladder in there or something, right?
It's
or something.
pretty thick.
Yeah.
It's really thick. So I don't think it's necessarily a bladder. I think they just made it thick enough.
Oh, that's cool.
They made it pretty thick. That's thick.
Wow. Oh, heck yeah. Whoa, it is. Man, that's almost like 1 inch.
Yeah,
That's pretty heavy duty.
Yeah.
Made it a 3/4 ton. I really like this box, how this works. That is slick. He's got his table.
Yeah.
He's made this into a table.
This is food grade here.
Yeah.
It'll get dusty, we know.
Oh, sure.
But that's what the water's for.
Yeah. Clean it all up.
The deck system, very slick.
Yeah, that is.
Put a lot of stuff in there.
Heck yeah. Yeah, they just move so nice. Wow.
Yeah, I got boxes on each side for different things.
Wow.
I got a patch system. I've got stakes for my tent. I've got all kinds of stuff in there.
That is slick.
23.0.
Yep, heard that. That's a pretty
three
good
to four
brand.
people. We could fit Susan and I and the 2 kids in there.
Wow.
I can get a tray that'll go on this side as well, but I haven't done
You don't
anything
really,
with
you
that.
probably don't even need to.
Yeah,
That's
no,
a
I'm
lot
not.
of prep work right there. You got everything you need.
Yeah, I don't plan on doing that, but it's possible. And
I
then
like that setup.
these pop in, so you just pull that up.
And then
Close
just
it.
slide it. Yeah, that's slick as a whistle.
Locks in. I bounced around quite a bit, doesn't pop out.
Got a real good departure angle too.
Yes.
With that, it sits it right
Super
up high.
clearance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is I haven't seen one like this. This is pretty cool. That whole setup. And you got your high lift on it too. Man, that's amazing.
Yeah, locks on real nice. I need to get a couple of recovery points
Yeah.
to go on there.
Some D rings.
Yep,
Or,
some
you know,
D-rings. I got 2 D-rings on the front.
Yeah. You know the soft shackles. Oh man, I just go with. Yeah. Those are the way to go. Yeah. We hardly using D rings anymore.
So yeah, these are my Max Tracks.
Max Tracks. That's it. Yep.
They come off real nice. They're super easy to get on and off.
Just lock and unlock.
Just locks and unlocks.
Well, the noise got too bad here with the wind blowing. So Richard's showing me how his system hooks up for his Max Tracks. Really easy. Don't have to have any tools. Goes right on. Then he shows me his great Roam storage box system up on top of his rack. And these are really nice boxes. They're completely waterproof, dustproof, and you can hold a lot of things in there. And you notice how the lid just holds right up so you can get right into it. It holds a lot of things. Nice rack. Works very well.
My heater.
Oh yeah, your diesel heater.
All up
Yeah.
and running.
Sweet.
It works really good, but the only problem is the way they did this, I can't keep it in here.
You got to pull it out when you use it.
I got to pull it out because this will melt the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that gets pretty hot, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does get pretty hot. So I just pull it out. I got my batteries right back there.
Oh, you got a Jackery. Oh, you have no problem.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you got a 1,000 watt
I got a 1,000 watt Jackery.
Yeah, that'll run it forever.